Welcome to the world of the hiker. My name is Happy, and I am a student of computer engineering. As a student of this major, I think we all have a dream that one day we can be a shadow hunter in the cyber world. But we know it requires a lot of technology and knowledge. But we can start it from the fundamental things. And this is the first time I record a video, so it maybe seems awkward, but just enjoy it. Today my topic is network sniffing with Ken and Albert. So what is network sniffing? Network sniffing is referred to use utilities that examine data packets on a network to gather data from a packet or to identify the content of the packet. Simply, it was use the packet to get the information you want, and it uses a technique called ARP poisoning. So what is before we talk about ARP poisoning, we have to know what is an ARP. ARP is short for Address Resolution Protocol. It is a telecommunication protocol, and it uses IP address to find the MAC address of the object host. And how it works. So when a computer wants to send a packet, it needs to know the other computer's MAC address. So it will send an ARP request to them, and as when they receive the ARP request, they will respond and send back the MAC address. So after we know what is ARP, um, we can know how ARP poisoning works. By lying to other computers on the network and saying that you are the computer they want to talk to, all the traffic will go through you, and you can use your knowledge to sniff the traffic for the password and the username and other information you want. So here I list three programs that can that have the network sniffing tools. The first one is CAN-enable, the second one is AtCap, the third one is Wireshark. Well, the Wireshark is a kind of professional because it uses reverse engineering technology, so maybe it's not suitable for everybody. But today I'd like to introduce the CAN-enable, which is really a simple tool to use for network sniffing. And here I list the 6 browsers which is most popular today for testing. And this web page is used to download the CAN-enable, and I already have installed it in my virtual machine. So for the testing, I created 2 virtual machines because we cannot do it in the real world because since it is illegal, we may be catch by a cop when we're doing the test. So this virtual machine has installed the CAN-enable, and it is the attack host. And this one, the virtual machine has installed 6 kind of the browsers, which is the victim virtual machine. And let's start the hiking. Let's start hiking. The first step is click the can enable to open the programs, so we can see this window. And today I'd like to use sniffer tools. And here the first step is click start sniffer, and we have to add some host. So add the host, all the host in our subnet. Now we get 6 pages. The first 2 is not useful, and the third one is the gateway of this host. We will use it later. And someone may don't know what is the gateway of this machine, so it is simple. Just go to the command line and type ipconfigure. So we can know the default gateway is this. So we go and the second step. Go to here, click ARP. We can see 3 idle machines here. So we have to start which one is the gateway. We select the gateway, and the other 3 is type OK. They will appear here. And the next step is just click start ARP poisoning. Now we go to another virtual machine to see what happened when we use our browser to log in our Gmail account and Facebook account, and we will see what happened. The first, we go to gmail.com and sign it. Now it comes out a security alert that the information you exchange with this site cannot be viewed and changed by others. However, there is a problem with this site security certificate. So here is a warning, but for the test, we continue and tap yes. I have to do several tests, so we choose test at gmail.com and type the password 123456. It's warning again. So sign in. Tap yes, and we can see what happened in here. We get the certificate of the packet, and here we can ARP plus HTTPS. We can see what the exchange of the information exchange. So come here, we can see we can nothing. Why? I try it again because sometimes it cannot work. Now we can see HTTP here. We found the username we type in and the password we type in. So we use this tool to get the Gmail account and the corresponding password of the user. Now I'd like to test it in Facebook. On Facebook, go to the Facebook web page and type in test.com. The password is also 123456 and log in. It failed, but can we get in no, we cannot get but last time it's successful. So this tool maybe cannot work all the times because the browser has its security. So I try again. It doesn't work, so I will try it later. Now I'd like to test another browser, Opera. we go to google.com and click sign. It also shows the invalid certificate, and uh, there here is a warning, but for the test we continue anyway. Here is the email address, test gmail.com 123456, sign in, and we see what happened here. Also we get the username and password when we use the Opera browser, and I want to test it with the Facebook account. Continue anyway. Here we type in our Gmail, no, just a username and the password, log in. We see, wow, we get the Facebook account and its password. It's amazing, really. It's amazing, really amazing. So we test with another. Let's test with Firefox. We all know Firefox has a really good security. So when we go to the Google account, as seen before, and sign in, wow, it shows this connection is uncharged. And here, we cannot do anything. Just get me out here. So Firefox has a really good security. So we cannot use this network sniffer when people use Firefox. Then we test Safari, which is usually used in Mac systems. We also go to the google.com. It shows Safari. No, type no, it's okay. It also shows the information that Safari cannot verify the website account google.com. We don't care about it. Just type in test.gmail.com, password 123 sign in and see what happened. We also got the username and password of the Gmail account when we use the Safari browser, and we will see what happens when we use Facebook. Does it also works? Type in test, and here type in 123. We sign in, and we get nothing. So when we use Safari, we use Facebook, it is okay. Can see what happened. No, we cannot get the information. So we test Google Chrome. Wow, you can see it is 6 security error shows that the site is the security certificate is not trusted. So, but we can do back to safety. I try again. See if we can go through it. Yes, no. We cannot use network sniffing when people use a Chrome browser. So because last time I successful to get the password and username when I use the IE browser to log in, go to the Facebook account. So I check again. Yes, type yes. Yes, I type test, and the password is 1234556. Sign in. See if I get the. No, this time doesn't work. maybe something happened, but we don't care. But today we have used can and able to do the website network sniffer, and we test several web browsers, and it works when we use IE Explorer, Opera, Safari, and this browser is from China. It also works, but we cannot do it when people use Firefox and Chrome. So um, here this teaches us that um, when we surf the internet and when we have to type in our username and account, when it appears this some alert told you, we have no this security alert, we mustn't to continue our sign in, because maybe our username and password will be gathered by someone else using what network sniffer. Um, so today we have that's all. We have a symbol describe also can enable and use it to do the network sniffing. And next work I will when do the crack or other function of the can enable. So see you next time, guys.